In this video, I'll show you how to change line spacing in Microsoft Word. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Microsoft Word, right? So this is it, and I'm going to quickly change the line spacing for what I've just typed now. In this video, I will show you how to change line spacing in Microsoft Word. So to make this happen, what you need to do, you need to left click your mouse, hold it, drag it firmly to highlight this text, right? Once I've highlighted it, you'd you'd scroll up to this is the line spacing option. Choose how much space appears between lines of text. So I'll click on it. Once I've clicked on it, I'll scroll down. I can select 1.5. I can select 2. I can select 2.5. I can select 3. So this is how you can change line spacing in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.